Hey, so welcome back for another Motorcycle Therapy Thursday. I'm continuing my ride. I want to continue some thoughts from last week. And this one being talking about what motorcycling has done for me with regards to challenges. So, there's lots of times when my wife asks me why I ride water over the road. Excuse me. It's cool out today here in Florida. And by cool, I mean 60s. And I don't think there's water over the road because it's been a while since it's rained. But this is the Ormond Loop. Wanted to bring you a little bit more of this great ride. One of my most favorite rides through here. We're going to veer off from the loop and go a little bit of a different way here shortly. But what I want to talk to you today about mental health and mental toughness. So, that's one thing that motorcycling has helped me. I've challenged myself. When I had 2021 was the first time I had ridden a multiple day long ride. I did a 3-day ride down from Nebraska to Florida for Daytona Bike Week. And when I did that, I ended that whole ride with about 3,000 miles. Now, since that time period, I have put almost, I think it's close to close to 65,000 miles on this motorcycle in 5 years. And have done a lot of long rides. I've done a lot of hard rides. I've been through a lot of weather, heat, cold. Haven't ridden in snow. That's about the only thing I haven't ridden in. And every time I set out to go on a ride, especially a long distance ride, you have to mentally prepare yourself for the challenge of having your butt in the seat for 8 to 12 hours a day, and whatever weather, whatever traffic you come across, as far as also the challenge of what do you pack, what do you have with you, all of that stuff. And I feel like it has helped me as I've aged to be able to continue to make critical thinking. That's one of the things that I really enjoyed about riding or about flying as a crop duster is it made you think quickly on your feet to react to a situation, to determine an outcome, and to make evasive movers, to adjust to, for example, when my window went down, my door went down on a takeoff one time. To adjust to things like you have a bad tire and you're out in the middle of nowhere and your headlight falls out of your bike. What things you have to do to adjust to critically think through that and to adjust what you're doing to survive that situation and thrive in that situation. To evaluate I've got 2 cars coming up. I had a car turning there. How do I evaluate? Where do I position myself in the road so that I don't become a statistic? How do I adjust my speed? All of those things are things that have helped me by riding a motorcycle. So, mental toughness is one of the things that motorcycling has helped me continue as I've continued to age. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, keep sunny side up, rubber side down. Have an utterly awesome day.